So I just swapped out the wheels and tires on my 2017 Toyota 4Runner, replacing the stock tires with a set of Goodyear Wrangler Ultraterrain AT tires in a 265/70 R17. It's the same stock size that you get on the 4Runner, but these are a mud terrain tires, so they've got more aggressive tread pattern, a more aggressive sidewall, and really changed the look of the vehicle. I also swapped out the stock wheels with a set of FN FX Pro wheels in black, and then I've got the stainless steel TRD center cap. Likewise, these wheels are the same size as the stock wheels on the 4Runner, but they've got more of an offset, which brings the wheel out a little bit more flush with the body of the vehicle, again giving it that more aggressive look and really changing the overall appearance of the vehicle. Do a quick walk around to give you a look at kind of how it's changed the appearance of the vehicle. Again, up front you can see that aggressive tread pattern. Although these are the same size as those stock tires, they almost look wider because of the tread. I also upgraded the suspension to a set of Bilstein 5100s, adding just under an inch of lift in the front, putting on the first clip, and then leaving the rear of the vehicle sitting at the stock height. Technically, to level out the 4Runner, you should put that clip on the second clip, but from what I've read, if you put any weight in the rear of the vehicle, it's going to sag, and this vehicle has the third row seats, so it's going to be especially pronounced. Really satisfied with that first clip setting. I think that it sits pretty level, removes that extreme rake that you get on the 4Runner in stock form. And you can see with these upgraded wheels and tires, really changes the look of the vehicle and gives it a much more aggressive look. Now I'm really pleased with how this has changed the look of the 4Runner. I'm more than satisfied with the appearance, but it got me thinking. I've also got the 2016 Tacoma, curious to see what this wheel tire setup would look like on the Tacoma. Now the Tacoma's got the stock TRD off-road wheels. They are a 16-inch rim, and then I again have the Goodyear Wrangler Ultraterrain AT tires in a 265/75 R16. So these are a slightly different tire size because of the 16-inch rim, but the circumference is actually the same as we have on the 4Runner. Now I've actually got another set of wheels and tires on the way for the Tacoma, so I'm not really considering swapping out the wheels and tires that I've got on the 4Runner, but I thought it'd be really fun just to see what it would look like with that wheel tire setup, and I figured it'd be useful information for somebody else that's shopping for wheels for the Tacoma, gives them another option to consider. So anyway, we're going to be swapping out the wheels from the 4Runner onto the Tacoma in today's video. The other thing that I wanted to mention is that the Tacoma, if you're not familiar with it, has a 2-inch lift in the front and a 1-inch lift in the rear, so it's already sitting a little bit taller than a stock Tacoma. And then again, these tires on the Tacoma are slightly oversized when compared with the stock tires that you get on the Tacoma, which are a 265/70 R16. Apologize for how dirty the truck is. Pretty hard to keep this black clean. So really changes the look of the Tacoma slightly. Again, much more aggressive than those stock tires. But I'm very curious to see how it looks with a set of 17-inch rims and that slight offset that you get with the FN FX Pro wheels. So with that, let's get to swapping out some wheels and tires, and we'll give you another look at the vehicle after they've been installed. All right, the FN wheels are on, and not surprisingly, they look really good on the Tacoma. I think especially because this is a black truck, the black on black has a really nice look to it, and then those silver TRD center caps really pop. So love the look that you get with these wheels on the truck. And then of course, because these wheels have that offset, gives the truck a little bit more of an aggressive look than what we had on it with the other wheel tire package. So you can see that those stick out just shy of the fenders. Really enhances that look. And then again, just the black on black looks awesome. Now, rather than swapping all 4 wheels, saved myself a little bit of effort and just did it on the driver's side. Plus, again, I feel like it gives you that side-by-side comparison to see what these look like compared with the other wheel tire setup. So again, we've got the TRD off-road wheels here. Still looks good on this side too, but if I had my choice, definitely go with the driver's side. Go up front so you can see that offset a little bit. So the driver's side sticks out just shy. You come over to the passenger side, it's just inset a little bit. Again, show you the rear of the vehicle here. That wheel on the wheel well. And on the driver's side, sticking out just a tad. So yeah, I think it looks really good. Love to get your feedback in the comments below. I'll put a link to this wheel setup if you're interested in getting a set for your Tacoma. And then the Goodyear Wrangler Ultraterrain AT tires are sold at Discount Tire exclusively, so that's where you want to go for those tires. For more 4Runner and Tacoma videos, be sure to subscribe. In the meantime, thanks for watching.